Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Yazi khona izinto esihlale siyihleka kuyahlekwa phela oba kuhlekwa ngisho kufiwe kodwa uyabona ungizwe emchunu sihlale sihleka nanoma enza nanoma yini sihleke okunye uthola ukuthi ukuhleka uyakubona nje ukuthi yazi umsangano lo nanga umuntu ebhedela umuntu noma nanga umuntu ehlambalaza umuntu nanga umuntu ephoxa umuntu sihleke ngoba phela okunye kuqondana nokuthi kuphoxa kunjalo ukubona ukuthi kukuhlungu kodwa indlela lo muntu owenza lento usomahlaya yena ngokwe-character yakhe kodwa into ke lana ephinde ibe inkinga ukuthi enza izinto eziwrong eziwukuhlambalaza ezinye eziwubuwengu lezo zinto lezo abantu nje wena obusuke umZulu ungaveli indawo ungekho prominent abantu umZulu abambonayo present amaZulu abangabowajwayela amaZulu impilo yamaZulu abantu bazungizwe bazi nje ukuthi umZulu unjengongizwe mawazi ukuthi amaZulu anje ngempela nayi lento ngiyayibona mayibona ibehavior kangizwe and futhi abanye awukwazi ukuthi leyo nto ungayiphikisa ebantwini kuwo wonke amatype asemzansi ngisho sithanda ukuyiphikisa sithi hayi amaZulu yekani lo muntu ningabuki lo muntu amaZulu awanjena amaZulu ayahlonipha amaZulu anesoka ngisho ekhuluma izinto awakhulumi isinoma isikanjani awahlambalazi amaZulu nawahlakaniphile amaZulu futhi nawayile esikoleni ngoba uwabona nje egraduate ku-UKZN ko-DUT koMangosuthu koNgoye amaZulu ayile esikoleni kwesinye isikhathi abanye bahamba bengayibhilivi kwaleyo nto ukuthi ngempela lento kanti kanjani mabebuka abantu abavela phambili bethi bamela amaZulu futhi ngeke ubablame lawo bantu ngoba bazoyibuza ukuthi uma kuwukuthi ngempela ninake ningamaZulu ahlakaniphile lo muntu wayevela ethumela nina futhi akaphikiswa muntu ukuthi unimele yonke indawo ukhona ukuthatha umela amaZulu yena yonke indawo athi umela amabhinqa azaclaime ngisho ukuthi ngisho abaculi abangamabhinqa baphethwe uyena ukuthi lokho kungamanga wayengamphikisi pho bese gcine kube yinto ebhilivekayo ukuthi ukhuluma nje ngamabhinqa ileader yawo okuyiwona coach wabo okuyiyona leader yawo ungizwe emchunu uthi uyakwazi Zulu Nation abanye becabanga ukuthi nje sikhona njengoba sikhona isibhilivela kungizwe thina singalidwa ungizwe so okuyinto ke kumele siyigumule nje bebuka abantu in public edlangalaleni ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi we have nothing to do with ungizwe emchunu we have nothing to do with ungizwe emchunu uzenzela into zakhe futhi ngeke akutshele ukuthi uzenzelani yini ukuthi usekwi-EFF uthi Julius Malema is the king ngeke akutshele ukuthi usuke efisa kwenzekeni yini asuke ilandela ngaleso sikhathi mayiseshintshile futhi esethi Julius Malema is nonsense ngeke akutshele futhi ukuthi sekwenzekeni yini esimfrustrateile yini engasenzekanga beyitshela ukuthi izokwenzeka ngeke akutshele futhi mayisephumile sekwi-MK sethi MK Jacob Zuma incoma MK ngeke akutshele futhi ukuthi sekwenzekeni yini azoyithola mayisephumile futhi esethi Duduzile Zuma said a motherfucker this thing is a stockfell ngeke akutshele futhi ukuthi sekwenzekeni kodwa into epainful yonke la suke muva khona umuva neyihlwele nabantu abasupporta yonke inonsense asuke yenza. Phela lento lenibukeni kanje ungizwe uinfluential ngisho ngathiwa wenza izinto ezirong unabantu inqwaba kaba-influensayo ngangokuthi nje mawukuthi ugxeka izitabane ulwa nosomizi uthuka osomizi zikhona abantu abanemiqondo emincane la ngaphandle aba-influenswa nayilokho egcina umuntu ngisho emphakathini la kahlala khona ngisho elokishini la kahlala khona uthola ukuthi sidevelopile i-hatred kubantu abagay ngenxa nje yomuntu oyiqhawe lakhe akamthembayo naye ngobufishane bengqondo uthola ukuthi wazi ukuthi ukhula ngezifundiso noma uinspire ungiso egcine sezonda amagay. Omunye kulento njengoba elwa noJulius Malema kuyena oqala uJulius Malema. Ama-foreigners la eMzansi akaze afike nga-EFF akaze afike ngoMalema. Ma usuhlasela uMalema wena awusalwi futhi indaba ama-foreigners ngoba phela ngoba ujoyina i-march and march wahlanganyela ne-march and march nilwa nama-foreigners. Manje ngenaphi i-EFF ungenaphi uMalema kanti uMalema uyi-foreigner ngoba i-South African Malema. Umela ama-foreigners akawamela ama-foreign uMalema. Ma umbuza ngestand sakhe kwi-principle ye-organization yakhe urong ukuphumela obala ukuthi ngokwe-organization yakhe this is what they follow. Urong ngani ngoba leyo nto usho istand wena okwakho the simplest thing ongabe uyayenza ungamvoteli mawukuthi awuhambisani naleyo nto not ukuthi manje uthulwa ama-foreigner uphinde futhi ulwa noMalema uhlangana Malema uwalethile nama-foreigners la eMzansi uyabayeka ngisho i-MK ngisho ubaba uJacob Zuma. I'm telling you uyabona nje ube ngiyintatheli bengizoke ngicela i-appointment ngizom-interviewer in the middle of the interview bese ngiyayifaka le ama-foreigners. Into engamenza nkwankwaza ingoba uzobe saba ukuthi maye ba-honest kuzoqhuma ibhomu nakuye abantu bevusa inkophe njengoba sekuyokwenzeka recently isaphuma istatement kwi-leadership ye-MK mangithi leadership ngisho naye ubaba uZuma involve ubaveza ukuthi bona lento yama-foreigners bayabhilivela kuyona nabo ngisho kwibhola lesi police bayabhilivela banele babona abantu sebelwa abantu base bayaxolisa bazama ukuyiblinda leyo nto. Ngisho ungaya kuThabo Mbeki manje uzokutshela uyabhilivela la kwibhola lesi police. Ngisho ungaya ku-President Cyril Ramaphosa ngisho ungaya enkosini yakwaZulu iyabhilivela kuleyo nto. That is why uzubone ngisho abambelwa ngisho uPhalo Mthatha bethena ngisho amakhosi athule nje vele ucabanga ukuthi azothini ngoba ababhilivela kulete bhola lesipolice inkinga ngeke basho bazothula bethi du ngoba basaba ukuluza abantu. I-problem ngoMalema isici sakhe sukuthi yena uvele waba honest wayenza kuye yaba plain and clear ukuthi stand sakhe yilona cala lakhe kodwa still akube icala lakhe ekutheni ungamvoteli ngaye ukuthi kube ukuthi usulwa naye ngathi ama-foreigners afike ngaye ngathi unayo uyi-foreign. Yikho lokho sekulide manje ukuthi uzugcine uthathe ngenhliziyo azathathe inhliziyo ungiso azamthuke ngezinto akazama ukumdiscredita ngazo umdikampena ngazo kanti usenza icala ingakho eseseyinkantolo nje. Izinto nje ezincane manje uzofaka amaZulu kube ngazuthi uyasukelwa afaka amaZulu enze yonke into ebe kuyena owenza izinto eziwumsangano. So bafowethu vukani ningahambe nisapota yonke into, nisapota ngisho abantu beyisukelela abantu. Kungekudala nje i-EFF kuzobe kuxabana abantu eKZN amaZulu odwa, abanye sebelwa nabalandeli abangamaZulu be-EFF becasulwa ukuthi lo muntu esebehlohlwe ngaye ukuthi esebe-influence ngayo ukuthi bamzonde, abanye abamzondi, abanye bayamthanda. So hlukanani nalezo zinto lezo-ke. Yabo nje ungizwe, hayi bafowethu bawumphatha behlambe.
The South African man right here came forward about Ngizwe's situation that we all know ukuthi Ngizwe has been ordered, yes, to pay a certain amount of money to Julius Malema. And guys, I saw Ngizwe yesterday. He was sweating. You know, this actually told me to say, know what to say, especially in the public space. Know what to say and avoid certain things, because this man is asking a question, Oguti, why is Ngizwe and these other March and March people fighting Malema? I'm also asking myself the same question, like, why are you fighting Julius Malema? Why why are you attacking him? Because obviously he is not the one who went to these foreign countries and bring these foreigners in the country. These foreigners are coming on their own. They have no link to Julius Malema. Like, he have nothing to do with that. I think we should also be fighting the president, because he's not saying anything. And this man is very, very smart, like too much wisdom here. Because he's explaining this thing that, Julius Malema, the problem is that he came out to say, hey, I don't stand with this. I don't stand with Imach and Match. I don't do this. Foreigners are our brothers and sisters. These other leaders are not coming out. They're just quiet. They're just quiet, which that's also a very smart move. They're just quiet. You will not know which side are they in, but you will know with their actions. You will know with their actions. My question is, why are you attacking Julius Malema? Because he's not the one who brought these foreigners here in South Africa. These foreigners are coming on their own. He is not the one, and I feel like this should also set an example to people out there to say, hey, Julius Malema, he will not play with you. He will not play with you. You can just imagine being ordered to pay such an amount of money for something that you could have avoided. You see, like, guys, let's be very careful with things that we say out there. Let's be very, very careful with things that we say in the public space.